Hi guys, today I'm going to go over 30 practice questions for SAT Math on quadratic expressions and equations. Let's get started. What is the product of x minus 3 times x plus 7? So this question just have to multiply, 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 multiply. So x times x is x squared, x times 7 is 7x, minus 3 times x is minus 3x, minus 3 times 7 is minus 21. Collect like terms, x squared plus 7x minus 3x is 4x minus 21. Answer is C. What is the product? Again, same thing. I'm going to do this first, and then this, and then this, and then multiplying the two negative 6's together. So the answer is D. What is the product of that? This one is difference of squares. This is x squared. Let's just try it the long way. Plus x, that's this term. Then this term is negative x. Then this term is negative 1. And you'll notice that the two middle terms, x's cancel each other out. So you're left with x minus 1. And always remember that whenever you have a form like this, x minus a and x plus a, then you'll always end up with the form x squared minus a squared. And this is called difference of squares. Okay, so the answer in this case is A. What is the value of x plus c squared? So if you write it out like this, it's quite simple. xc plus xc plus c squared. So x squared plus 2xc plus c squared, which is the same thing as saying x squared plus 2cx plus c squared, just changing the order. Answer is E. What is the product of 2x plus 6 times 3x minus 9? 2x times 3x is equal to 6x squared. 2x times negative 9 is negative 18x. Plus 6 times 3x is 18x. Minus 6 times 9, 54. The middle terms cancel. You have this. Okay. Question number 6. What are the factors of x squared minus x minus 6? Factoring, so you have to find two numbers, then multiply to give you negative 6, and add to give you negative 1. So multiply to negative 6, add to negative 1. Okay, and you can tell that it's negative 3 and 2. Okay, so that's going to be B. And you can check by expanding the brackets. And you do indeed end up with the same expression. What is one factor of x squared minus 4? This is again difference of squares. So one factor here, the answer is D. What are the factors of x squared minus 11x plus 28? Again, you want to multiply. So a times b is 28, where a and b are the factors. A plus b is negative 11. And you'll quickly realize that negative 7 and negative 4 give you that result. So the answer is A. What are the roots of x squared minus 18x plus 32 is equal to 0? Simply have to solve for x. And how do you do that? By factoring. So numbers that multiply to 32 and add to negative 18. Let's see, 132 doesn't work. 216, sure. So negative 2 and x minus negative 16 gives you a 0. So x is equal to make this expression, the product of these two expressions equal to 0. X is either 2 or 16. E. What are the roots of x squared plus 8x minus 48? Same deal. X minus 12, plus 12, x minus 4. So x is equal to negative 12 or 4. Negative 12 or 4. This one, you just have to factor. The bottom is difference of squares. You can cancel the x plus 9's out, so you have 1 over x minus 9. A. 12 fraction is equivalent to, again, factor the top such, factor the bottom, and then you can cancel the x minus 8's out, so you have x plus 2 over x plus 7, which is b. The fraction is equivalent to x minus 9, x plus 5 is the top, because negative 9 times 5 gives you negative 45, and negative 9 plus 5 gives you negative 4, x plus 5, x plus 6, again you can cancel these out, so you have x minus 9 over x plus 6. Number 14, numbers that multiply to give you 33, add to give you 14, that's 11 and 3. Numbers that multiply to give you negative 33, add to give you 8, 11 and negative 3. So you can cancel these out, and you have x plus 3 over x minus 3. X squared minus x is equal to 12. So this is common factoring. So x is equal to 0 or, oops, I think I made a mistake here. Let's go back. Okay, let's start over. So I'm going to move the 12 to one side and then solve by factoring. So x is equal to 4 or negative 3. E. And this one again, I'm going to move the 10 to the other side and factor two numbers that give you, that multiply to negative 40 and add to negative 3 is negative 8 and 5. So x is equal to 8 or negative 5. Let's keep going. Number 17. If x plus 5 is over 4 is equal to 6x minus 6 over x plus 4, what is one possible value? Okay, so this question I'm going to cross multiply. And like that, I'm going to expand the brackets. So you're going to get 4x plus 5x plus 20 is equal to 24x minus 24. Now I'm going to move everything to one side. 9x plus 20 minus 24x plus 24 is equal to 0. Just moving both of these terms over here, changing signs. Collect like terms. I have negative 15x plus 44 is equal to 0. When I factor, I get x minus 11, x minus 4. So x is equal to 11 or 4. X minus 2 times x plus 6 is equal to negative 16. What is the value of x? Again, I'm going to first expand the brackets like this. And I'm going to move the 16. Oops. This is going to be plus 4x minus 12 plus 16. So x squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. So like this, x is equal to negative 2.